Okay, hello. I want to show you how to download a specific model. In this case, I want to download Llama 3 8B unaligned beta from Sicarius, but I want a specific model, specific quantization. And I could go lower and there would be a link to quantizations, but I can click on the model and simply check if this is what I want. This is GGUF, this is good, but I don't want it. This is beta ARM, I don't want it. ARM quants basically. Okay, this is iMatrix, and I want IQ for NL. I click download, and now I have to wait, and you will see me after I download it. Okay, I unlinked my Layla from my license. So as you can see, it only shows that I have some features enabled. I don't want friend, roleplay, image generation, power user, maybe, cloud, not expert. I choose expert personally because it gives me the most uh, control. And okay, no models selected. I have, of course, here a lot of models, but I will load this. I will load this. What I downloaded, the Llama 3 8B unaligned beta IQ 4NL. In this case, it's prompt, it's Llama Layla. I don't know if I should have even access to VLM. The apps kind of say like I don't, but let's see what I can do with very basic uh, Layla. Of course, loading takes time, and I will start a chat. This will be sped up, don't worry. Okay, this is enough to show that you can do it in basic Layla. Now regarding settings. In your profile, you just say who you are or your character. In inference settings, we saw that you choose which model you use. This is one of the most uncensored ones. You show which vision model you use, which stable diffusion for image generation you use, and if you want to use a different persona, you can. Here it actually switched to some default persona. I don't know. I don't think I created it. We will see. As for other settings, I have show NSFW content turned on, haptics during chat turned on, everything else turned off because scrolling at the bottom often had issues. And now I don't want Chinese, I want English. Okay, we will start again by restarting. Okay, language is English. and I still see some problems with unlinking product license. So I don't know which apps I'm allowed to download and which not. Let's see. It seems like I can download all of them. Ah, no. Now I have to already purchased, and now I have to enter the code because a lot of those apps don't work without code. You can buy it for $20 one-time payment. Let me enter the code and I will be with you shortly. And as you can see, the purchase was successful. So I'm downloading basically everything, barring few options. This might take a while. I will speed it up. Don't worry. Let's see if there is a bug with Live2D. No. Long-term memory. Okay, well, I have slow internet. Okay, I'm basically downloading everything. And I do download Hexagon Inference Experimental. Although in my case, NPU, since few updates, doesn't work to its full potential. So bugs are sadly a bit normal part of life. Okay, now I can download Dream. Now I can download references. And let's see, that's all I wanted to download. I don't know if background interference is, yeah, it should. And yes, permissions are granted successfully. So this works. And what's the difference between the basic app and the full app? Well, you get Stable Diffusion, you get many more apps that help you with certain kinds of things. But if you just want to chat and you don't care about long-term memory, arguably basic version should be enough. You just need to pick the right model, just as I've shown you. And there are many, many, many models that can be used for that. Okay, this is it. I will also show how to download for SD for Stable Diffusion, something for Stable Diffusion, and how to get a prompt. If you had such situation that you had full Layla and you wanted to bring it back from the backup, you click import backup and select which backup you want to import, and I will show you how it looks and how much time it takes. It should be noted that importing from backup might take a while, especially if you have a lot of chats and stuff like this. I don't know if it was necessary, but yeah, as you can see, I have over 9,000 chat history. So I didn't want to, miss it. I will speed it up, don't worry. You can wait here. I won't go above 10x speed though, so yeah. Okay, let's see if it imports something else from the backup. Always useful to know for new people how long it takes. It's at least a 10-minute operation for a lot of stuff. Okay. Benchmark runs. Yeah. Okay, what else? That's all, folks, and I'll restart now. Okay, we are in Mr. J's repository, and I told you that you can click on Civitai link to source and find the prompt. And how do you find the prompt? You go to this image and click this eye, and you have a prompt, you can copy it, and you have negative prompt, and you can copy it. And that's all. Thank you. If you can, please subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, especially likes and comments. They are very, very welcome. Goodbye. Take care.